Children, it is second part of the solution of the model question paper 2021-22 given by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Now let us solve the 2 marks questions. Now you come to the third main question. Answer the following 17th question. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. The equations are 2x plus y equals 3, 4x minus y equals 9. Our question is there, choice question. What is that question? Show that the lines represented by linear pair of equations 2x plus 3y equals 1 and 5x plus 6y equals 2 are intersecting lines by comparing their coefficients. Now first let us take the first question. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. Now you write the equation. First one is 2x plus y equals 3. Second, 4x minus y equals 9. Consider this is equation 1, first equation. This is second equation. Here we have to solve this by elimination method. In elimination method, you know that you have to eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate any one of the variable, we have to check which variable can be eliminated easily. That is by observing their coefficients. See the equations here. Here you observe the coefficient of x and y. Here x is having the coefficient 2 in the first equation and in the second equation it is 4. They are not same here. But now you go to the coefficients of the y. Here y is having the coefficient plus 1 and minus 1. So you can cancel them easily as they are having same magnitude. Here don't bother about the sign. Here 1, 1. It may be plus 1 or minus 1, but this 1 ends are same. So you can eliminate the variable y easily. And which operation that you have to do to cancel this y? Because here the signs are different. So to cancel them, you must add. So you write that by first plus second. Do the addition. Then you can cancel the y by doing the addition. So you write 2x plus y plus 4x minus y. This is the LHS of the first equation and this is the LHS of the second equation. LHS plus LHS equals RHS plus RHS, that is 3 plus 9. This plus this equals this plus this. LHS plus LHS equals RHS plus RHS. Now here plus y and minus y becomes cancel. Find the sum of these two. 2x and 4x are like terms. You can add them. That becomes 6x equals here 3 plus 9. As they are having same sign, add them. So you got 12. So you got the linear equation 6x plus 6x equals 12. 6x equals 12. Now you solve for x. Then you can get here x equals 12 by 6. Transferring this 6 to the RHS, you got x equals 12 by 6. So you can cancel 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. You got x equals 2 by 1, which is equals to 2. Here you got the value of one variable. And to get the value of y, here what you have to do? Substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. So let us substitute by substituting x equals to in equation 1 or in equation 2 also you can take here. So let us take here equation 1. So you write that equation, first equation 2x plus y equals 3. 2x plus y equals 3. Here 2x is there. In the place of x you write 2. 2x means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus y equals 3. Then 2 2s are 4. You write 4 here and plus y equals 3. Then y equals 3. Transfer this 4 to the RHS. It becomes minus 4. Then you got y equals 3 minus 4. So you know that y is equals to 3 minus 4. That is minus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. But the greater number 4 is having negative sign. So it becomes minus 1. In this way you got. Therefore x equals 1. Y equals 2. X equals 2. Y equals minus 1. So you can verify it orally. So you take 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 1 you will get 3. And 4 to the 8 minus of minus 1, that becomes 8 plus 1 equals 9. That is the verification you can do here. So you got the values of x and y, x equals 2 and y equals minus 1. Now let us solve the OR question. Show that the lines represented by linear pair of equations 2x plus 3y equals 1 and 5x plus 6y equals 2 are intersecting lines by comparing their coefficients. Intersecting lines means they are having only one solution, unique solution. You know that if the pair of linear equations is having unique solution, then their variables, that is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So let us verify a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. So let us come to that question here. So write the questions. 2x plus 3y equals 1 and 5x plus 6y equals 2. So here this is a1, b1 and c1 means here it is better to transfer. Write it as 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and it is 5x plus 6y minus 2 equals 0. Now you write this is a1, b1, c1 and it is a2, b2, c2. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 1, a2 is 5, b2 is 6, c2 is minus 2. Now you find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 5. And also find b1 by b2. b1 is 3, b2 is 6. You got 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So you write 1 by 2. You know that this 2 by 5 is not equals to 1 by 2. 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are not equal. It means a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. That is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore you can conclude, therefore the equations, the given pair of linear equations having only one solution, so they are the intersecting lines. Therefore which equations? 2x plus 3y equals 1 and 5x plus 6y equals 2 are intersecting lines. That is the solution. Next let us take question number 18. What is that question? Find the 15th term of the arithmetic progression 6, 10, 14 using the formula. You know that here the set of numbers are in AP. Therefore, here you write the given AP 6, 10, 14, so on. Here what we have to find out? We have to find the 15th term. You know the formula to find the nth term of a given AP, that is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a, d and n are needed to find the 15th term. N is given, that is 15, and what is a? A is the first term. So you write a equals 6, that is first one. D means second term minus first term, that is a2 minus a1. Directly you can write 10 minus 6. D is 10 minus 6, that equals 4. and n equals what? N equals 15 because we have to find out 15th term. So that is an equals a15 equals question mark. Write the formula. You must know the formula. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Write the formula correctly. And what you have to find out? You have to find 15th term. That is a15 equals. In the place of a, what you have to write? 6. A is 6 here. So it becomes 6 plus n. N is 15. So you write 15 minus 1. N minus 1 means 15 minus 1. And then what? D. D is 4. So write here. That equals a15 equals 6 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 4. That is a15 equals 6 plus 14 fours. 14 fours are 56. So you got a15 equals 56 plus 6, that is 62. So what is the 15th term? 15th term is 62. Next, 19th question. What is that question? Find the sum of first 50 terms of 3 plus 6 plus 9 so on using the formula. Our question is there. Verify whether 130 is a term of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 so on. So here let us solve the first one. Find the sum of first 15 terms of 3 plus 6 plus 9. So write the series first. 3 plus 6 plus 9 so on. Here what you have to find out? You have to find the sum of 15 terms. Sum of 15 terms. You must know the formula. Formula to find the sum of first n terms. There are two formulas. When a, d, n are known, that is s equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or if first term, last term and n are given, a, n, l are given, then s equals n by 2 into a plus l. Here, first one you have to use, that is when a, d, n are given. So write what is a? A is the first term, that is a is 3. Then d second term minus first term, that is 6 minus 3 equals 3. Then n equals what? N equals 15. So you must find out Sn, that is S15 equals question mark. You write the formula. S equals or Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus, in the bracket you write n minus 1 into d, then Sn, that is S15, or also you can write S. N in the place of n, what you have to write? Write 15. It is 15 by 2 into 2 into a is 3 plus n is 15. 15 minus 1, d is 3. Then you write 15 by 2 into 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 4 minus 1. 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 3. 14 into 3 you can write here, or otherwise you write like this also. 14 into 3. That is also correct. That equals 15 by 2 into 6 plus, what is the product of 14 and 3? That is 42. 14 3s are 42. So write 42. That equals 15 by 2 into 42 plus 6 is 48. So write it is 48. 6 plus 42 is 48. 2 1s are 2 24s are. So it is 15 into 24. 15 into 24. Then you find the product of 15 and 24. 15 into 24. Also you can do it as 24 into 15. So 15 4s are 60. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 6. How much? 360. So here S15. Sum of first 15 terms of 3 plus 6 plus 9 is how much? That is 360. Next OR question is there. What is that OR question? Verify whether 130 is a term of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11, so on. Write the AP 3, 7, 11, so on. Here what is asked? Verify whether 130 is a term of the AP or not. That you have to verify here. So let us consider this 130 is the nth term and find the value of n. If you got n as a positive integer, then you can conclude this 130 is a term. So let us find a. What is a? That is the first term, 3. Then d is second term minus first term, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, which is equals to 4. Now let us consider, let an equals 130 and let us find n equals question mark. Then you write the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to 130. Here you have to consider 130 is the nth term, and in the place of a you write a is 3 plus n, we have to find out n minus 1, value of d is 4, that equals 130. Now you write 3 plus n into 4 is 4n minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 equals 130. Then 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So you write 4n minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1 equals 130, and you transfer this minus 1 to RHS to solve n. So you write 4n equals 130 plus 1. If you transfer this minus 1 to the RHS, it becomes 130 plus 1. So 4n equals 131, n equals 131 by 4. So you know that 131 is not divisible by 4. 131, if you divide 131 by 4, you know that it is not completely divisible by 4. You can't get positive integer. You can't get integer here. So as n is not a positive integer, means not a natural number, 131 is not a term of given AP. 131 is not a term of given AP. Here if you try to divide, you will get a decimal number. So here 4, 3 are 12, 1 is remaining, 4 2s are 8. Here you take, then 3, put point, here 4 7s are 28, again take 4 5s are. Here it is not a natural number. So if it is a natural number, then you can conclude it is a term, but here it is not a natural number, because here you have to say whether it is 32nd term or 33rd term. So n is not a positive integer, therefore it is not a term. Next let us take question number 20. Solve 3x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0 by using quadratic formula. You know the method of solving the given quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Now you write this equation 3x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. You know that it is in the standard form. So you write a value, b value and c value. A is equals to 3. Then b is equals to minus 2. C is equals to minus 3. Write the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. X equals, here minus b is there, so write minus first. And what is b? B is minus 2. So write that in the bracket as it is having negative sign. Plus or minus square root of b square. B square means again minus 2 whole square. Minus 4 into a is 3. Into minus 3. Then 2 into a. 2 into a, that is 3. A is 3. Then you write x equals, minus of minus 2 is 2 plus or minus whole root minus 2 whole square is 4, and here you take minus into minus becomes plus. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Then x equals 2, you write 2 only, then you write plus or minus, then whole root. And what is the sum of this 4 and 36? Sum of 4 and 36 is 40 divided by 6. That equals x 2 plus or minus, you write it as square number into some other number. 40 you can write it as 4 into 10, because 4 is a square number. Then that divided by 6. So you write x equals 2 plus or minus, what is the square root of 4? 2 you can write. 2 root 10 by 3. That equals by 6. Because here 6 is there. So write that equals 2 you can remove as a common. 2 into, here what is remaining? 2 is outside means 1 plus or minus. Again this 2 is removed as a common. Only root 10 is remaining. That divided by 6. Then you can cancel 2 1s are 2 3s. 1 plus or minus root 10 divided by 3. Then what are the roots? X equals 1 plus root 10 by 3, or x equals 1 minus root 10 by 3. Children, now you take the question number 21. What is that question? Find the value of the discriminant and hence write the nature of roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Here what is the given equation? The given quadratic equation is x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. And here we have to find the value of discriminant. If the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So you write a value, b value and c value. What is the value of a? That is the coefficient of x square, 1. And what is the value of b? Value of b is 3. Next, value of c is 2. C equals 2. Now we have to find the value of the discriminant, means value of b square minus 4ac. That equals, write the value of b, that is 3 square. B square is 3 square minus 4, you write 4 only, into a means 1, into c is 2. That equals 3 square. 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 1 into 2, that is 4 into 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, which is equals to 1. So you got b square minus 4ac is equals to 1. The value of b square minus 4ac is 1, and that is greater than 0. greater than 0. If the discriminant is greater than 0, if the value of discriminant is greater than 0, you know the nature of the roots. Roots are real and distinct. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Next, you take the question number 22. What is that question? Find the distance between the points. Find the distance between the points 3, 1 and 6 2 using distance formula. You take the points here, that is 3, 1 and 6 2. These are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Write the distance formula. If you consider these are the points P and Q, then PQ, the distance between P and Q is PQ. PQ equals what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That equals, you write x2 minus x1 is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 1 whole square, which is equals to square root of 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 square. Then you will get 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1, which is equals to square root of 10. Square root of 10 units. Square root of 10 units. Next, you take the question number 23. Now the question number 23. Divide the line segment AB equals 10 cm in the ratio 2:3 geometrically. You know the method of dividing a given line in the given ratio. So in the first step, draw a line of 10 cm. In the first step, draw a line of 10 cm. This is the line AB. What is the length of this line? That is 10 cm. Next, in the next step, here you have a acute angle at a point A. This is acute angle, means less than 90 degree. After that, here what is the ratio? 2:3. You know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Take a compass with convenient radius. Make 5 equal parts on this. Name it as AX. So make 5 equal parts. Fourth one, fifth one. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Next, join this fifth part. Join this fifth part to B. After that, here the ratio is 2:3. So 1, 2, 2:3, 1, 2 is there. So draw a line parallel to this line at a point A2. How will you draw the parallel line? Take a compass and draw the curve here. Draw a curve. And with A2 as a center, draw the curve with same measurement. Draw an arc with same measurement and find the distance between these two. Here we have to construct the angle which is equals to the angle at A5. So after drawing the curve, find this distance, and with this A1 as a center, with the same measurement of this distance, cut it. In this way, you will get a parallel line here. Here this angle is equals to this angle, that must be equal, then only this is parallel to this one. Now consider this is a point C. Now these two are in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. If you measure it, this becomes 4 centimeter, this becomes 6 centimeter, then it is the exact construction. 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, which is in the ratio 2:3. In this way, you can divide a given line in the given ratio. Now, question number 24. What is the question? From the given figure, find the value of sin theta, tan alpha. Sin theta and tan alpha. And here, theta is here and alpha is here. Now, if you want to find sin theta is equals to, you know that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Now you know that this is hypotenuse will not change for any theta, but here for theta, which is the opposite side, you know that this is the opposite side. So which is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side. So write that equals AB by AC. AC is the hypotenuse. And AB is here 1. Hypotenuse is root 5. So sin theta is equals to what? 1 by root 5. Next, tan alpha. Tan alpha is equals to, you know that, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. For alpha, which is the opposite side? Opposite side is BC. And which is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB. That is BC by AB. So what is the measurement of BC? That is 2 units. So 2 by 1, which is equals to 2. In this way you got sin theta is equals to 1 by root 5 and tan alpha is equals to 2. So you can write this is A, this is B.